Hello boys and girls, I'm Mr. Russ, and what I'm showing you is the alphabet and the sounds. So I will always tell you the big A, and this is what it looks like, and little a. And this will help you learn the names of the letters and the sounds of the letters. And it gives you a picture, of course, to associate the letter sound with an object. So, right now, hopefully you'll practice this as often as you need so that you learn all of your sounds. Talk to you later. Big A, little a, apple. Big B, little b, balloon. Big C, little c, cat. Big D, little d, dog. Big E, little e, elephant. Big F, little f, fish. Big G, little g, goat. Big H, little h, house. Big I, little I, iguana. Big J, little j, jelly bean. Big K, little k, kite. Big L, little l, leaf. Big M, little m, monkey. Big N, little n, necklace. Big O, little o, octopus. Big P, little p, penguin. Big O, little o. Big Q, little q, queen. Big R, little r, rainbow. Big S, little s, sun. Big T, little t, turtle. Big U, little u, umbrella. Big V, little v, violin. Big W, little w, watch. Big X, little x, box. Big Y, little y, yo-yo. Big Z, little z, zebra. Boys and girls, I hope you had fun practicing your letters, sounds, and names. So, go back as often as possible. Remember, Big Z, little z, zebra. And you have a good day.